keep going. Take control of the wheel now. Take control of the wheel. So what date are we today? Monday the 21st, is it? 22nd?
After 500 yards, turn right.
No, thank you. You keep going. So yeah, here coming up on our right is the, well, I'm not sure if it's going to be the main entrance, but certainly the advertisement for Rulantica, which
Turn
certainly...
right, then at the end of the road, turn left.
No, thank you. Which looks a lot better than a billboard. And then on the right there you've got the Waterpark being built, and then behind that you can see the Hotel Rulantica, which is coming on very nicely indeed. So follow this road down to Europa. Basically what we'll do is we'll head towards the other hotels, so the Colosseo and the Bell Rock. That's where we'll head. As you can see in the distance on the right, you can see Europa Park. So the new hotel is a fair way away on the water park, but I assume there's going to be some sort of transportation, which will probably be this road here, on the right. So you can see there the Colosseo.
After 400 yards, turn right.
See the Colosseo there, and the Bell Rock, and Lidl, just here on the right.
Turn right.
No, thank you. So here is the Colosseo.
After 200 yards, keep right.
We're going to keep right, don't you worry.
Keep right, then after 150 yards, go right on the roundabout, first exit.
So here is the Hotel Colosseo
Go
on the right.
on the roundabout, first exit.
Can you switch that off? Ridiculous. And we are going to turn right here.
Why are we turning right? Please get on.
Here is the Hotels Andaluz on the left, and Alcazar and the Santa Isabel, and just to the side of that is Europa Park. Speed, what's your speed? So this is the Spanish themed area on the left hand side, and we're just coming into Rust. I won't take that on, I'll let them come round.
Supermarket.
And there's a supermarket, yeah. Like I say, you've already been past Lidl, that's another supermarket. Hotel Pollen on the right, and some different apartments in this building on the left, which ours is. Thought they were in our space then. Pollen Krill.